How to register your school or company. To use childsafeguarding.com, you'll first need to register an account on our system. To start this process, please visit csawa.re. This is the customer-facing website of childsafeguarding.com. Once you've visited this site, please come down here and click the Register button. You'll be asked to choose your registration type. Now, before I talk about that, let me mention this. So we've provided a code entry text box here and a start button to allow learners to get into the course. If you are a learner and you've been provided a code by your organization, please enter that code here and press start. If you are a learner, please do not register for an account on the system. Now, if you are registering for an account on the system, you're going to register for your organization or for yourself individually. If you work for a school or a vendor, please do not register as an individual. Now, if you are working with a school, please enter your information as a school. If you are working for a company that provides services to a school, like a bus company or a catering company, please choose vendor. I'm going to choose school. Once I've made my selection, I'll click Proceed. On this page, you'll be asked to enter all of the information related to your account and your organization. Everybody will be asked to fill out account information for the primary access to the account on our system. You will be asked for a first name and last name, an email address that we will use to allow you to log into the system, password, city, state if that's applicable, and country. If you are a vendor or a school, we're going to ask you for organization information and a contact person that we may need to use to publicly show who should be contacted at the school if outside learners have questions. If you are a school, we will ask you for reporting information. Let me fill in some information and I'll come back to this. Now that I've entered my account information about my organization, and identified my contact person, let's talk about the reporting information. The reporting information is child protection reporting information for your school. This is information that people at your school should use to report child protection concerns. This could be a designated safeguarding lead or a senior administrator. What you want to do here is put contact information for that identified person so that we can include that information in the course itself and on the completion certificate. Please enter at least one line of reporting text here. You can change this later on in the Manage Accounts section. Now that I have all the account information and reporting information set up, I will press Proceed. Next, you'll be taken to the Verify Information page. We just want to make sure that the information that you've entered is correct. Please review all this information before you finalize your account. If you need to make any changes, you can click the Edit buttons on any of the sections on this page. Before you can create your account and submit your registration, you need to agree to our terms and conditions here. Now, do note, we are going to verify your email address. We'll send you an email to the email address that you've put in the account information section because you're going to use that email address to log into our system, and we need to make sure that it's valid. Once you click Submit Registration, a verification email will be sent to your email address. The final step is to verify your email address because you're going to use this email address to log into our system. So we've sent you a verification email to the email address you put in the account section of the registration. Sometimes these verification emails can go to your junk mail, so please check there before you ask for a verification email to be resent. The verification email we send you will look just like this. To verify your email account, just click on the Verify button or click on the link down here at the bottom. Your account is now ready to use. Please log into the dashboard here, and you'll see that you now have full access to administer your account, purchase seats, choose languages, and get learners onto the system.